Hey, what's up guys, my name is Prabhakaran from Commentv. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to access your computer hard drive directly into your Android smartphone. By doing this, it makes it easy to share all your files and data between your computer and your mobile device easy. So now let's see what are the steps you should take if you want to access your computer hard drive directly into your Android smartphone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first step is to configure your computer hard drive so that you can access it on your Android phone. To configure it, just right click on the particular hard drive that you want to access onto your smartphone. Then you will find a tab called sharing. Just hit that tab and there you will find another option called advanced sharing. Just tap on it and there will be another window pops out. At there you will find a checkbox written share this folder at the left hand side of the window. You have to just check that box and after that go to permission and there you will find an option called everyone. So select that everyone option. Why we selected everyone? Because it will allow your hard drive to be visible to everyone on that particular network connected to. So apply the settings and now you have successfully configured your hard drive. Now let's take a look at the Android part. In Android, just open up your Play Store and search for ES File Explorer. Just download it and open it. After ES File Explorer opens up, make sure that your Android phone and PC laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Just swipe from left to right and just scroll down and find option called LAN and tap on it and click on scan. It will scan for the devices that are present on the network. And now tap on your particular device that belongs to you. After that, it will ask you to input your Windows login ID and password. So input it. And boom, your hard drive had been now accessed by your Android phones. Now you can copy files over the device and your laptop or your computer. So that's it guys. This was all about this sharing your computer hard drive into your Android phone. So guys, that's it for the video. If you have any queries related to this video, let me know in the comment section down below. And thanks a lot for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. If you hated it, put it down. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon too so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Till next time, this is Prabhakaran here from Commentv signing off. You guys have a great day.